Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my second video. Today I'm giving you an update on the repair of my PC with the RTX 4080 and things would definitely be going better. Anyway, today is November 23rd, 2025 and I'm finally picking this video project back up after a long break. I returned a bunch of parts, partly because I bought the wrong stuff and partly because, spoiler alert, I am not the one doing the repair anymore. I first removed that green and purple cable because I thought it was all I needed for testing. But no, turns out I needed 3 more cables to connect it properly to the power supply. And the PCU I bought didn't have 12 VH power or for the GPU anyway. Then I removed the PCU itself. I originally thought I'd keep it, but between the missing 12 VH power port and the fact that it looked used and poorly airboxed, missing protective board and all, I decided to return it. I also returned the UPS because it was rated for 600 watts, while the PC I needed to protect goes up to 1000 watts. After asking ChatGPT, I realized it would have blown the moment the PC pulled more than 600 watts. I seriously thought it would just last fewer minutes, like 8 instead of 15, but no, I was totally wrong. I know I said I'd be uploading daily, but I was too optimistic, especially right now. Sorry about that. But I'm in the middle of buying a house and aside from the emotional chaos, I got some serious deadlines to deal with. And with the move coming up, I probably have even less time. I decided to bring the parts to a high-end PC repair shop, so I took out the M2 GPU and RAM and drove about 20 kilometers to get them tested. I spent the whole afternoon in the town so I could get answers the same day. The technician started with the RTX 4080. At first, it looked completely dead, and since he had appointments, he told me to walk around for a bit. When I came back later in the afternoon, he hit me with the verdict. The BIOS on the 4080 was corrupted, so a simple flash brought it back to life. It's actually a known issue, and he was awesome to finding the fix online and flashing it. I was so relieved. Seriously, I was hyped. He also confirmed the M2 and RAM were perfectly fine. He even ran some benchmark tests and everything checked out. I'm a software developer and I started this channel to talk about tech and computers. I booted up my first PC when I was 3 years old, back in the 1991. Literally typing WIN in DOS to launch Windows 3.1. Funny enough, I started this channel right when my main work PC, the one with the RTX 4080, decided to completely give up on me. I thought the repair would be quick and easy, turns out not really. Thankfully, I had set up a full backup system that copies all my work files to a secondary PC in case the main one dies. Let's just hope that one doesn't die too while the 4080 machine is being repaired. So, first of all, huge shoutout to Groove1024 for leaving the very first comment on my channel. Seriously, thank you, I appreciate it. He suggested I check for swollen capacitors or burnt traces inside the power supply, and he's absolutely right. But since the PCU is still under Amazon warranty, opening it would void it. He also recommended stabilizing the CPU cooler better, but I didn't mention that one of the 4 mounting pins was broken, so even if I got it attached, it would pop out after a few seconds. Since I just needed a quick test boot, I went full brute force mode, but really thanks again Groove1024. A few days later, I went back with the motherboard, CPU and power supply, and now, almost 2 weeks later, still no news. The technician says he doesn't have a motherboard with the same LGA 1700 socket to test the CPU. Hopefully in the next video I finally know what actually burned out, and then I can move forward with the warranty replacements and rebuild the whole 4080 system. I kinda panicked when I started editing this video because I realized I had recorded around 8 hours of footage and that was way too much to handle in one sitting. So my plan is to split everything into separate videos. The main one, this, the NAS setup and installing a new 4TB drive, the wheelchair modification, kitchen cleaning, what I ate, and some clips of me playing guitar. I probably edit and upload them slowly over time. Which one would you like to see first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see how this whole 4080 story ends, make sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video or just want to support me, drop a like.